Hi guys, today I will explain how to create a sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first thing is open the application by clicking on it. And once it will be open, these are my projects. Now tap on that project in which you want to create your sequence, just like I will select this one for creating a sequence. Here you have to click on it. And on the first number, you can see the option of sequence. Just click on it. If you want to write a name for your sequence, then here you can write, and on the top, you can see the option of setting. Click on it. Here you have to select few things. The first thing is editing mode will be custom, which is on the top. Once you will set it into custom, this one is time frames. It's up to you, but I will not change it, and this one is frame size 1920 and 1080. This size is for long form video like for YouTube. If you write 1080 here and 1920 here, then the sequence will be for short videos, like for TikTok or for Instagram Reels. An expected ratio will be in square pixel. Click on it, and if your selected option is another one. Then you have to select this square pixel, and remaining things will be the same. And if you want to save this preset, and click on the option Save Preset, then this sequence will be saved. And you don't have to create another sequence, just use this sequence for next time. And the last thing is, click on the option. Okay, now, our sequence for short form videos has been created, and if you want to change it into long form, then take a look on the right top. Here you can see the option of sequence. Click on it, and tap on this option sequence settings. Simply change the numbers like me, and click on OK. And as you can see now, our sequence for long form videos has been created. And it was the way by which you can create sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro.